I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworkers Journal. Today we're going to be talking about the KS 120 Kapex miter saw from Festool. Miter saws, or cutoff saws, as some may call them, are standard issue in many of our workshops. They are ultra handy for many reasons, but not every miter saw is created equal. The Festool Kapex is the Cadillac of miter saws, or maybe, considering where Festool is located, the Mercedes. Precision is the watchword of Festool products, and the Kapex represents that well. I know I'm not the only person who has cut a series of miters, only to find out that those joints won't close. Precision and quality are the answers to that problem. As you might expect, this is a feature-rich saw. One of the most important details is that the saw does not extend way beyond the machine. That's because it slides so nicely on these rails. Here are a few more of the features that Kapex has in its bag of tricks. The cutting head both slides forward, increasing the cutting width, or can be locked in place for narrower stock. It's a compound miter saw, meaning that you can angle the orientation of the head and adjust the angle of the cut at the same time. Excellent for cutting molding or edge trim. Comes with a handy hold-down clamp to increase accuracy and safety. Of course, the fences are easily adjusted for various cutting situations. And finally, it's got lasers. Something that's very important to me is Kapex's dust control design, perhaps the most effective in the industry. As somebody who once owned a Vega station wagon and then later in life bought a Volkswagen Passat, I can tell you that engineering quality is not something that you can see, but something that you can feel immediately. It also shows up in reliability and durability over the years. And that is likely the Kapex's most important differentiator. As my father used to tell me, buy the best you can afford and you'll only cry once. I've only just touched the hem of the garment in terms of talking about the benefits that come with using a Kapex machine. But I do think I've given you an idea of why this machine is so highly regarded in the industry. I'm Rob Johnstone from Woodworkers Journal. Keep on making sawdust.